Pause. Hey there, electronics enthusiasts. Got a new project in mind but struggling to get those analog signals into your digital world? Pause. Well, let me introduce you to the SF-4 analog to digital converter. Pause. So, what exactly is the SF-4? Pause. Look at this beauty. Pause. This little board transforms real-world signals like sound waves and temperature readings into digital data. Pause. It's like having a tiny translator for your sensors. Pause. Imagine this. You have a sound wave coming in or a temperature reading. Pause. The SF-4 takes these analog signals and converts them into binary code, those familiar ones and zeros. Pause. Then it sends this neat digital data off to your computer or microcontroller for further processing. Pause. Simple yet powerful, right? Pause. Now let's talk power and connections. Pause. The SF-4 needs a bit of juice to work, anywhere between 2 to 5.5 volts. Pause. And for connections, it's a breeze, just 2 wires, SDA and SCL, to handle data and timing signals. Pause, easy peasy, pause. But you might be wondering, how accurate is this thing? Pause. The SF-4 boasts a resolution of up to 4,096 different levels. Pause. That's some serious precision, making sure you get the most accurate readings from your sensors. Pause. Speaking of sensors, you can hook up 4 different ones to this board. Pause. Temperature, light, sound, pressure, you name it. Pause. The SF-4 handles them all, making it super versatile for any project. Pause. And what can you use this board for? Pause. The possibilities are endless. Pause. Battery monitors, portable thermometers, factory machines, all can benefit from the SF-4's capabilities. Pause. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for analog signals. Pause. Plus, it's got a built-in filter to clean up any noisy signals. Pause. This means you get smooth, accurate data without any of the unwanted noise. Pause. Your projects will thank you for it. Pause. So there you have it. Pause. The SF-4 analog to digital converter is a game changer for any electronics hobbyist. Pause. With its precision, flexibility, and ease of use, it's the perfect addition to your toolkit. Pause. Ready to elevate your projects? Pause. Grab an SF-4 and start converting the world around you into pure digital awesomeness. Pause. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more cool electronics tips and tricks. Pause. See you in the next video. Pause.